Attention Oztalk fans, we are back. Sorry for the delays. We've been a little bit busy over the last couple of months, but I've got one really good excuse. This right here, Oztalk Automotive, our service and performance shop in Beaudesert. That's right, we decided to run our own mechanical and performance shop, and let me tell you, it just sucks all your time that you have, but it is worth it. We're gonna go inside, check it out, and we're gonna introduce you to the team. All right, so first person we have here, Marty Nolan, head workshop foreman. Cody Hunt, business partner, also owner of You Losin'. That's a pretty popular car, you would have seen that thing. And Jack,
hey mate,
our first year. So this is the team for Oztalk. So these are the guys who are going to be building this Torana, so stay tuned.
Man, when I chat and chit, I come through like what's good, these wigs getting split. Man better breeze and sprint, it's long if I choose to bite down on these pricks. X is a lyrical 4-4 and this, so make sure it's X that you wanna rally with. Oh, make a big man turn to a kid, shout out skull when I splat out wigs. Never seeing X's with your eyes closed, don't move past girls behind your eyelid. Bars and flows, check out their mixture. Tell them man can't handle the fixture. It's all fun and games to the person saying it's all fun and games, get beat up and cocked out the picture. Must be active if
Okay, so this is the first episode of the series build for Wayne and Glenda's LX Torana. As you can see, it's already been sent to Holmes Bodyworks and had the bodywork been done. Roughly sat at Holmes Bodyworks for about 3 months getting all the prep work done. It's had basically a bare metal respray, all the rust and everything's been cut out of it. The body wasn't too bad condition when we sent it there. Chico come and saw me and said, hey, let's paint it the original color, which is a rare original color on this vehicle. If there's any issues further on, we can get that painted and covered. But the bodywork's been done. It got dropped back to us Christmas time. We've left it in the showroom and now we're gonna start the build process. So as you can see, we've got a LS1 here that's been built, mile cam in it, averaging about 400 horsepower out of this motor. The manifold on the top of this engine is just a cover at the moment. We're putting a short range manifold with a 4150 carburetor head on top as a 4 throttle body unit, and we'll put a short air filter on top so everything's underneath the bonnet. We don't want anything sticking up because we want this car to be a super clean streeter and we want it to be nice and comfortable to drive. Originally was a 202 manual. We've taken that out and just said, hey Wayne, you know, getting a bit of age in the old manual and the clutch pedal, so we said, oh look, we'll go straight for reliability. We go an LS1, injected, turnkey. It's gonna have the electric water pump on it. It will have a Astra electric pump in the boot, and then basically all it'll need is the alternator assembly put on the front, so it's super clean. And then we'll start assembling that motor process in the car. Also in the front too is this clip from Rod Shop. It's specifically designed for an LX Torana. It's got the power steering rack assembly that we opted for. It's also got the Viking shock absorbers for height and also for rebound and compression, so we can set that up. It comes with a full wheel wood package. The wheels that you see on the car, we're upgrading them to a 15-inch weld lights with the multi-hole section. Further on the project, we'll be putting a 4L60 gearbox behind this engine, custom tail shaft, then into a 9-inch. So we are going to 9-inch with the Willwood brake package in the rear, but we're not going super short and we're not tubbing the actual vehicle. We're just going to go slightly shorter so we can put a bigger offset rear rim, just so we can try and wedge a 235 under it. If we're aiming around that sort of 350, 400 in a Torana, they're pretty light. So at least with having a 235, try and put a PSR or a Hero or something underneath it just to get that better traction anyway. It's not going to be a daily driver. It's going to be mainly just a weekend going to car shows and just showing it off. So his wish was, basically, I want a V8 Torana. He come and saw us and said, I've got a Winnebago. I don't really want to travel around Australia anymore. I've done it too many times. So they sold that up. just want to invest the money into the Torana. He's had it in his shed for about 25 years. And yeah, we basically went through the catalog with him, and here it is. So basically the LS1, the rod shop front end, the 4L60 gearbox, the short 9-inch, the Willwood brake package. Also, we're upgrading the computer system on it. So we are running a Rebel LS Heltec system. They do now have the controller for the 4L60 transmission, so that will go in complete. We'll have a small head-up display for him as well, just so he can see vitals, oil pressure, fuel pressure, temperature. We're not going to cut into his dash and run, like they used to, a whole series of autometer gauges. No one runs that anymore, so it's going to be super clean. Interior was clean on the car. Small cigarette burn, the typical cigarette burner on the Torana, so we're getting that stitched up. Put the brown interior back in it. Chrome bumpers are getting done, new chrome handles. We'll then obviously look at, he wants air conditioning put in the car as well, so we're speaking to a few sublet guys there, and once we finish the build and it's running and tuned, we'll speak to them and they can put the air conditioning system in it. So yeah, so that's our rundown on what we're doing and the package that we're putting in the Torana. It's a bit dusty at the moment because it's been sitting in the showroom for 2 or 3 months and it's come straight off the gun. So it still needs to be prepped and finished for the final handover. Stay tuned because the next episode will be us inserting this into this car. So stay tuned guys, thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also follow the channel for updates. If you have any questions or any comments you want us to specifically focus on, put that in there for us as well. Cheers, thanks.